So this is a quick tutorial on how to use our magnetic clasp dies for our green machine. I'll put it for you step by step so you can see every part of the process. So we'll start off with a bit of scrap material that we've got here. Now what we want to do is, before even getting to the dies, ideally we want to mark out where it is that these magnetic clasps are going to go. So I'll give you a bit of an example. So let's say we're going to put this about here. I want to flip this over and I can just feel these prongs at the back. This is our backing plate, so I know that's going to be about there. So I'll hold that into place. And with a marker pen, I'm just going to mark out these lines on the back, so I know my incision that I need to make. So let's do that now. I'm using a scalpel. Now you can get this from one of our crafting kits that we sell online. It comes with lots of great little gadgets. Don't have to go too deep unless you want a cutting board like this one, I guess. Perfect. Okay. So now this is on. And I've made the holes. What I'm going to be doing is I'll flip this back over. I'm just going to push through these prongs that are on the back, just like that. I'll check that the sizing is correct. Yep, my backing plate goes on nicely there. So now let's put this into our die set. So the process is the same for both parts of our magnetic clasp. The only difference is the base die will change. So for this one, we're going to use this base die. You can see it has further indentation around the edges, and there's that little knobbly bit in the middle that's going to hold against the magnet. That will slot in just like that. For your other side, we'll use this base die, which is the exact opposite. That's what will hold this one. You see that will just fit in just there. For this example, I'll go with the original one that we were using, which is the magnetic side. So we'll pop the base die into the machine. Once again, I'll push this through our fabric with the prongs out the back. I'll put that onto our base die. I'll get our backing plate. That can be pushed on. Now, you can manually pull these round to the side. They're not that stiff. The purpose of this is to create a much tighter fixing. So we'll push down with the green machine, nice and firm, just to round that off completely. There it is, completely flat against your material. At this stage you could stitch more material over the top if it's going inside of a bag. That's your part of the magnetic clasp. Essentially you do the same with the other side. There you go, that's how it works.